What's going on, guys? Welcome back to GIO'S Wave, and today I have a super spontaneous video for you all. Recently my brother just came to me and brought to my attention that he was looking to taper the sides of his head because he wants the whole little top knot look, the samurai braids or the one braid or just the man bun or the top knot right there. He wants that look. Personally, I think the look looks dope, and I'm just like, okay bro, well, you know what? If you want to do it, go ahead and do it. But he basically inspired me to go ahead and try to achieve this look without actually tapering the sides of my head or cutting my hair to achieve the top knot look. This is going to be the first time I'm ever doing this, so bear with me. I don't know how this is actually going to turn out. So this is going to be like a little trial run that we're going to have together. I'm probably going to have my mom to help me out because, I do not know how to cornrow my hair. Although I still might attempt, and if I don't get it, then I'm just going to let her take over. But hopefully it turns out well. Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and start off by sectioning off my hair. I'm only going to be using the top mid section of my hair, so I'm going to separate that from the rest of my hair and just tie the part I'm not going to be using in a ponytail. Now that I officially separated my hair, I'm going to go ahead and section it even further and start brushing it out to make sure there's no knots in any part of my hair. Alright, now I'm going to take it a step further. I'm going to go ahead and spray some heat protectant spray because I actually have to straighten this part. Considering my hair is super long, I do not want to fight with the ends of my hair as I attempt to braid it. So I'm going to go ahead and, that is upside down bro, but I'm going to go ahead and use that Vanity Planet straightening brush. The digital heat setting for this brush starts at 170 and then goes up to 370. Now I'm only straightening my hair at 300 degrees. And I'm pretty impressed by how straightened it got from just the first pass and it only being 300 degrees. Again, I'm only straightening my hair so it doesn't get tangled as I attempt to braid it. Also, the best part of this brush is you do not get those annoying flat iron creases and you don't get any of the burnt smells that comes with a straightener. Plus, you just save a lot of time while straightening while you brush. Of course, y'all know I got you with the discount. Typically, this brush is about $80, but I can give it to you for 50% off. Just use my promo code GIOFLOW and you can get it for only $40. I'm sorry I had to do this, but I told you I would try. Here's my tragic attempt of trying to braid my hair. Alright guys, as you see, I am not that great at this. Apparently this is just, I went to go ask my mom what this was, and apparently it's more so of a French braid than a cornrow, so I did not know that. I don't know what I thought I was doing, but whatever the case is, she's about to come in and finish me up and pretty much help me out. Yeah, I tried. And yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and let my mom do it. So yeah, stay tuned. Alright guys, so my mom just finished up the braids. These joints look super nice. I'm liking it, so we're about to figure out what to do with the sides right quick. Let's see. Alright guys, this is the finished look. Yeah, absolutely love it. Shout out to moms for helping me out with this look. Thank you, mom. And yeah, tell me what you think. Do you like it? Do you want to see this more often? Shout out to my little brother for, inspiring me to make this video as well. And follow me on all my social medias. That is at Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat. That is at GIO'S here. And make sure you subscribe, hit that bell button to get notified whenever I post. Yeah, you know what to do, stay wavy, yeah, and I'll see y'all next time, yeah.